Hey guys, let's talk about the Calindiana Powder Bin. This is a powder storage for your house, and we're going to be using it for our laundry room. It has a modern farmhouse design. It's great for laundry essentials. It comes with a scoop, and it has a nice glossy finish. So I actually already opened it from the box to show you guys, and here's how it looks like. So you get those two side handles, that cute loads of fun laundry, wash, dry, fold, repeat, and this cute little handle on the top for easy opening. There you go. As you can see, it's nice and deep in there, so it'll sure fit a lot of things for your laundry, such as powder, and it does come with a little scoop. My favorite thing about the scooper is that it has this little hook so you can easily just attach it to the side handles and never lose it, and there you go. Just like that, you have that laundry detergent safely stored and easy grab. I definitely recommend for anyone, for any laundry room. It just looks so sleek. It looks so nice to display in the open, or even if you close it behind some cabinet doors. It's really the best thing to add to your laundry collection.